Check this out. This is a automatic feeder that we use for our turtles. I've got it programmed so you can have it feed automatically at 4 times a day, and you can move this back and forth to give them a specific amount of food. You can see how much food is in there roughly. The semi-transparent little compartment there for the food. This has been really a big time saver for 2 reasons. Number one, because of course we don't have to feed them by hand anymore, but number two, one of the number one cause, or really the number one cause of turtle tank being dirty is actually overfeeding. It's not the poop and waste that the turtles produce. It's actually the extra food that goes in there that they just don't eat, that disintegrates. So I've been able to figure out kind of what the specific amount of food is that they're eating per day and marked it here with a white paint marker. And these are rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about swapping batteries. It's a little micro USB there. I'll leave a link in the description if y'all are looking to get one of these. And one more note, I know this is not HVACR related, but this is a great example of a way you can truly buy back your time and free up more time for things like studying. So that's a mindset I've really tried to focus in on and just be more efficient with everything from top to bottom at home and at work. So I don't know why, but I feel like culturally we don't value our time nearly enough. So this is a great example of something you can implement in your life if you've got fish or turtles or something, some kind of aquatic pet like that, where you can really truly buy back your time.